How to fix Explorer.exe not starting in Windows 10 or 11. So if you're facing a problem with the Explorer.exe not starting on your Windows, so here you can see as I have opened my Windows. So for those who don't know what Windows Explorer means, Windows Explorer or Explorer.exe is basically your taskbar, your user interface after all. So what you can do is, in this case, you need to simply press the Control, Shift and Escape key at once. And here you will get the Task Manager. So this will open up the Task Manager, and here you can go and click on File and run a new task. Click on Run a New Task and then enter Explorer.exe and click on OK. So this is only a temporary fix because maybe when you restart your operating system, you would still not get your Explorer.exe automatically opened. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Just go into the search bar and type in registry editor and then click on the registry editor, click on yes, and now you have to locate H key, which is under the current user. So here you will have the H key under the current user, expand that, and then you need to locate the software. And under the software, you need to simply scroll down where it says Microsoft. Click on the Microsoft, and under Microsoft, here you need to search for Windows NT and then expand it. And under Windows NT, you will have current version. And under the current version, you may have WinLogon. So you need to simply click on that. So once you click on the WinLogon, you will have all of these. You will have all of these registries that are in that file. So if you have a problem and your Windows Explorer is not opening up automatically when you open your operating system, here in this list, you're going to see a registry which will be called shell. So you may have a shell option under here. So you need to simply click on that shell. If you double click on that, then you will see that it will have a value of percentage, specific percentage, and that doesn't matter. Just go and cancel this and delete the shell registry, and then you need to delete this shell registry. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. Right click on that and you will have delete. So if you have the shell option, then you need to simply right click on the shell and then click on delete and delete your registry. And after that, you need to exit out of here and then you need to restart your operating system. And once you've restarted your operating system, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix Explorer.exe not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.